Quality Garage Door Services would like to introduce the Chai Model 2283 and the Chai Model 5283. These doors are personally recommended by our owners. The Model 2283 and 5283 are premier double steel wrapped insulated garage doors, giving you the ultimate thermal block to prevent heat transfer. This allows your garage to stay cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Simply put, this would probably be the last garage door you will ever have to buy. The rigid construction of these steel garage doors offer a no-flex operation, which ensures your garage door slides firmly in place. This should be extremely important to you due to the fact that your typical garage door system has over 300 moving parts. The no-flex feature limits the vibration and metal-on-metal friction, which ensures your garage door repairs are limited for years to come. This unique system will help extend the life of your springs and motor due to less drag and less resistance when opening and closing. Both of these models come standard with the new roll, form, tongue, and groove design. This allows your door to settle perfectly in place, giving you a fantastic weather seal. Like all garage doors we sell, these garage doors include a lifetime warranty on the panels, protecting your garage door from rust, fading, and cracking for as long as you own the home. How's that for watching out for our customers? A new garage door is most likely low on your list of to-do items, but did you know your garage door is at the top of the list when it comes to curb appeal? Whether you're selling your home or just want to improve the look, a new garage door is a very important decision. The return on investment is massive. Both models are available in 4 great colors: white, almond, brown, and sandstone. This allows you to customize your look and add elegance to your home. The Model 2283 comes in standard embossed wood look design, both in long panel as well as short panel. The Model 5283 has a beautiful carriage house look. Thank you for watching. We truly hope this video helps you make the best choice for your home. If you have any further questions or concerns, please call us today.